Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about half-yearly examination revision. First, synonyms. Recognized. Answer, known. Privilege. Answer, honor. Passion. Answer, desire. Commitment. Answer, dedication. Civilian. Answer, ordinary people. Swaying. Answer, moving slowly. Scream. Answer, cry in a high pitch. Acknowledged. Answer, accepted. Prominent. Answer, noticeable. Clinking. Answer, fitting closely to the body. Next, antonyms. Success. Failure. Appointment. Dismiss. General. Specific. Interesting. Uninteresting. Start. Stop. Fast. Slow. Beautiful. Ugly. Whole. Part. Listen. Speak. Suddenly. Gradually. Next, answer the following questions. Prose 1 and 2, poem 1 and 2 and supplementary 1 and 2. When did Usha Rani start playing kabaddi? Answer, as a school girl, Usha Rani started playing kabaddi. Second question, what did she sell to support her family? Answer, she sold flowers to support her family. Next revision question, what does Mithali want people to know about her? Answer, as a woman cricketer, she wanted people to know her for her own identity. Next question, who won the silver and the bronze medal in 2017 and 2012 Olympics respectively? Answer, PV Sindhu won the silver medal in 2017 Olympics. Sania Nehwal won the bronze medal in 2012 Olympics. Next, poem question. What qualities are needed to play a game? Answer, planning, coordination with your teammates, true spirit of the team, setting your mind and will on the goal in front of you, fighting for the team and helping them to score are the qualities needed to play a game. Next question, what helps one win the game? Answer, working with your running mate, the team spirit, setting your mind and will on the game played, helping your fellow men to score and forgetting self till the game is over helps one to win the game. What words were ringing in Rucha's ears when she was running in the relay? Answer, when Rucha was running in the relay, her PT sir's words came to her mind, thinking to win were the words ringing in her ears. Next question, what did Rucha finally realize about herself? Answer, she realized that she had overcome her hesitations and denials. She could win whenever she chose to do so. Next question, where did the boys and girls go? Answer, the boys and girls of class 6th went on a trip to Ooty. Next question, why did Muthu say that he could walk along its side? Answer, Muthu said that he could walk along its side because the train was moving very slowly. Next question, why did the girls snigger? Answer, the girls sniggered because the teacher shouted at Muthu to go back to his seat immediately. Next question, why did Muthu and his friends step out of the train? Answer, the train stopped suddenly, so Muthu and his friends stepped out of the train to see what had happened. Next question, describe the beauty of the Blue Mountain. Answer, The purple-blue mountains formed a lovely backdrop to the green fields and tea estates. Next question. What does charges along like troops in a battle mean? Answer. The train runs forward as quickly as the army soldiers attack the enemy in the battlefield. Why does the child clamber and scramble? Answer. The child clambers and scrambles together blackberries. Next question. How did Gulliver overcome the adversity? Answer. Gulliver landed into a strange city called Lilliput. After the shipwreck, the people of Lilliput were not 6 inches tall. They thought he was a strange giant and tied him. Though Gulliver was upset at first, he managed to adapt to their environment and helped them in many ways. As they freed him, after some weeks, he also helped them to make peace with the neighboring kingdom of Blefuscu. He lived there peacefully for many years. Next book exercise. Page number 95. Put the words in correct order and rewrite each sentence. First question. They have a post box, red small rectangular. Answer. They have a small rectangular red post box. Second question. I have sticks, long, 2, brown. Answer. I have 2 long brown sticks. Third question. Find me the brushes, new 5 hello. Answer. Find me 5 new hello brushes. Fourth question. Magesh is a boy. Thin, tall, clever. Answer. Magesh is a tall, thin, clever boy. Fifth question. It is a plate. Round, pink, small. Answer. It is a small, round, pink plate. Next exercise. Page number 108. Find the hard one out. First one. Hide and seek, Coco, Tennis-court, Kabaddi. Answer. Hide and seek. Second one. Badminton, cycling, tennis, squash. Answer. Cycling. Third question. Trap is throw ball, bowling, goal ball. Answer. Bowling. Fourth question. Snooker, polo, 5 pins, carom board. Answer. Polo. Fifth question. Cricket, baseball, hockey, basketball. Answer. Basketball. Next exercise, page number 121. Syllables. First question. Wonderful, 3 syllable. Behind, 2 syllables. Bananas, 3 syllables. Excitement, 3 syllables. Snatch, 1 syllable. Windows, 2 syllables. Third, 1 syllable. Everyone, 3 syllables. Next exercise, page number 124. K exercise. Read the sentence given below and circle the verbs appropriately. First one. Children like ice creams. Second one. Birds are flying in the sky. Third question. The doctor is treating the patient. Fourth one. Our school commences at 9 in the morning. Fifth one. The florist sells flowers on the street. Next, page number 125. N exercise. Read the sentence carefully and fill in the blanks with suitable tense form of the verbs given in brackets. First question. The doorbell rang while I dash my homework. Answer. Was doing. Second one. We saw an elephant while we dash on a trip to Ooty. Answer. Were going. Third question. Mary fell asleep while she dashed a book? Answer, was reading. Fourth one, the television was on but nobody dash it. Answer, was watching. Fifth one, Bhaskaran hurt his hand while he dashed mangoes. Answer, was cutting. Next exercise, page number 134. Read the following statements, say true or false. First question, Gulliver was the captain of the ship. False. Second one of the Lilliputians gave a 10-minute talk in Gulliver's language. False. Third one, Gulliver took the small creatures in his hand and crushed them. False. Fourth one, the horses were 4.5 inches tall. True. Fifth one, the war between the two kingdoms ended in peace. True. Next, identify the speaker or character. First one, he felt something moving along his body almost up to his chin. Answer, Gulliver. Second one, they somehow managed to put him on the platform. Answer, Lilliputians. Third one, don't let us down now. Gulliver, we need your help. Answer, the Emperor of Lilliputians to Gulliver. Next, supplementary 1. Identify the character or speaker. First one, hold tight Vishnu, I will fall. Answer, Rucha to Vishnu. Second one, you must practice more, that is all. Answer, Aruna to Rucha. Third one, don't worry, Ruchaji, you are doing well. Answer, Vishnu to Rucha. Fourth one, has anyone heard about her? It seems they call her P.T. Usha. Answer, Shabnam to her friends. Fifth one, no self-doubts, Rucha. This is exactly what I have been wanting to tell you. Answer, PT instructor to Rucha. Next, composition exercise. Exercise number 7, letter writing. Write a letter to the manager of your factory asking permission to visit the factory. From your address and name to the manager, Shakti Sugar Factory, Valalal Nagar, Ariyur. Respected sir, sub asking permission to visit the factory regarding. We are a class of 35 students and 5 teachers in standard 6th of SDA school. We are interested to know how sugar is made. So we want to visit your factory. Kindly give us permission and inform us the convenient date. Thanking you. Yours sincerely. Your name, address on the envelope to the manager, Shakti Sugar Factory, Valalal Nagar, Ariyur, pin code number 3. Next, exercise number 10, formal letter. Write a letter to the municipal chairman complaining about the drainage system in your locality. From your name and your address to the municipal chairman, municipality, main branch, municipal campus, Puducherry, number 1. Respected sir, sub, requisition for upgrading the drainage system regarding. I am a resident of Kamarajar colony. It rains frequently in our area. Rainwater stagnates everywhere. It helps the mosquitoes to breed. The people suffer from many diseases. Our drainage is not properly maintained. So I humbly request you to kindly take necessary steps to keep and maintain our drainage system periodically. Thanking you. Yours sincerely. Your name, address on the envelope to the municipal chairman, municipality main branch, municipal campus, Puducherry, number 1. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Prepare well for the examination thoroughly. Follow the instructions. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the exam and report on time without fail. Thank you, children. Take care. God bless you.